How to fix Janitor AI not responding 2025. Now, in some cases, your Janitor AI might not work for you. It might give you some glitches or issues because of the server being overloaded. So don't worry, I have the perfect fix for you. Now, if you want to use Janitor AI, do make sure to go ahead to the link down in the description below to start off right away. Now, once you're over here, and you go over to chat with anyone and it gives you an error that it's not working, what you're going to do in those cases is basically, first of all, you're going to try to use a VPN. All right, so simply go ahead, get a VPN extension, and once you do that, turn on the VPN, reload the page, and in that case it should normally work. But even in that case it doesn't work. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you're going to basically enable or disable it, change it from whatever the blur NSFW messages were. Then what you're going to do is you're going to log out, log back in, and once you do that, that should fix it up for you. That's what it does for me. So do let me know down in the description or in the comments if it worked for you. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Do make sure to check the link down in the description below to use Janitor for yourself right now. And that is all from me. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.